What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? T to the M to the IDD, back with another photo shoot in the studio. And you see this beautiful 34-inch beauty dish right behind me that I'm going to pair with this lovely Nikon Z7II.
Give me that camera. No, this is my shoot and this is my studio, and I am shooting with this Nikon. So scram. Now, for today's shoot, we are going for euphoric vibes and we are using this 2-light setup.
Wow, there you have it. My niece just came into my studio, stole my Nikon Z7II and did her own photo shoot. And might I add, her flake ratio for models is at like a 0% because they always come through. So let me give you a little bit of background on this. How did this come about? Well, my niece has always been into taking pictures. She actually had a YouTube channel way before I did and kind of encouraged me to make my own, which is why we are here today. So since she is going to college starting this fall, I knew that she liked photos, so I told her to do a couple of test shoots with some friends and, you know, see if it's something that you would be interested in doing, because in college it's always guaranteed to be someone to have a birthday. So what does that mean? That could be a great track for her in a nice journey to start photography, right? I have the resources. Why not use the resources that I already have and bring them into your own? Okay, we started up and she gets models like this. So this particular photo shoot was a 2-light setup. You see the purple kind of RGB light in the back, that is actually camera left and that is shining right on the backdrop. It is a 80-watt RGB light with a 6-inch reflector just beaming on the backdrop. The key light is another 80-watt light, RGB light, but it is set to be a key light. And so what we actually have going on is in a 34-inch beauty dish with a grid so that the light doesn't spill onto the backdrop, because you want that nice dramatic euphoric purple pop, right? So that is the lighting setup. As far as the camera she is using is the Nikon Z7II, and she is using the 35mm Sigma lens and is actually at 1.4, and the images that I saw afterwards were amazing. So I wanted to share them with you, and so of course here goes some of the images. And as I'm going through these images myself, I'm looking and I'm like, she done took all my props, she done did everything. All the T-mid props you see, she done took them out. She done went to the kitchen and took a chair from the kitchen. She did it all, and I actually love these images. So what I wanted to do as I was going through them and looking on my memory card, about to delete some stuff, I was like, let me take a few of these images and edit them myself. And so you seen her straight out of camera images, and so now here are a few of the images that I edited from her set. And she had a pretty decent amount that she took, about under 100 images. So I thought that was pretty good for her, having the whole studio to herself and being able to create. So that is what this shoot was about. Definitely she held it down, did her own thing, didn't ask me for help. I put the 2 lights up and, you know, just went back upstairs, let her do her thing. So you see her images she was able to create with the constant lights. I felt like that would be the best starting point because she could see exactly what she would be getting on the background. So if you're looking at shooting inside a studio, you could take that as a tip. Constant lights, you can see what you are going to get. You can actually notice also in that video clip, that is a BTS that she actually put together. So I actually stole that and put it in this video, but there are no other lights on in the basement. You just have the 2 lights set up because any additional lights would affect the ambient lighting and the overall image that you would get. So if you want to start off nice and slow, continuous lights are definitely a plus. You see exactly what you're going to get on the back of the camera. Then if you want to push it up some more, then you can go ahead and transition into off camera flash, where it has a few different benefits. If you would like to hear a video on that, leave a comment below. Thank you for watching this video. Definitely try to bring something new, something different every time. Leave me a like. Also, we have a new feature in YouTube where it is like a super thanks, and you can leave donations basically supporting the channel, and of course all of the support goes back to the channel. It helps me bring new things to the channel for all of us to enjoy as far as content is concerned. T to the M to the IDD. Subscribe if you have not subscribed, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this content. I will catch you all in the next one. Peace. Another day, it is another shoot, and I actually have this 35-inch beauty dish. Hold on, I messed that up. And I'm about to be shooting with this lovely Nikon Z7II.
No, this is my. Wait.
I'm going to be shooting with the Nikon Z7II.
Give me that camera. No, this is my studio and this is my shoot.
What? 4-inch beauty dish, and of course I'm shooting with this lovely Nikon Z7II.
Give me that camera. No, this is my shoot and this is my studio, and we're stop. Dang God.
With this awesome Nikon Z7II camera that I'm going to be working with, this Nikon Z.